Nung nawala siya sa akin, gumuho yung mundo ko. Alam mo yung sa isang iglap na wala lahat ng plenano mo. Kasado na ako sa bukas na siya ang kapiling ko. Ngayon di ko na alam kasi mag-isa na lang ako. Saan ba nagsisimula yung mga iniwan sa ere? Yung mga taong binigla na lang na, uy, mas mahal ko siya, kaibigan na lang tayo, pwede. Yung mga taong nakipaglaban pero di sila yung pinili. Yung mga taong isinantabi na wala man lang pasabi. Paano ba bubuo ng pangarap na sinira niya? Pangarap na binuo ko para sa aming dalawa. Paano nagpapatuloy yung taong minahal pero sinaktan at pinaasa? Paano ba ko uusad kung hanggang ngayon mahal ko siya? Ako si Sonia, iniwan sa ere. And now, I'm lost. This is the reason why some people ay natatraumatize magmahal, my love. Natatraumatize ibigay yung everything that they can dream of the future with this person or even build a future keeping this person in mind. Kasi andun yung fear na one day something like this would happen. Unfortunately, kasama nung pagtatapos ng relationship ninyo, lahat ng plenano mo, lahat ng nilagay mo sa isip mo na magiging takbo mo, na magiging karera, ng binubuo mong pangarap sa buhay. One big matter will change. The one that you want to share that future with is no longer with you. That is why it's hard to build a dream with someone na wala pa kayong, kung tawagin natin yung bondage, kasulatan, marriage, to reassure you na this will eventually go somewhere. That's why ang hirap-hirap mangarap ng bukas kasama yung isang taong kasintahan mo pa lang. Kasi you don't even know kung kasintahan mo siya until when. But on the other side, my love, this is the risk that we must take, all of us. Whether we like it or not, di naman tayo bibigyan ng husband or wife material agad-agad eh. Relationship will always be trial and error. But one thing is for sure, sa mga nagtatapos na relasyon, there will be days na hindi mo alam kung paano mo itatayo yung sarili mo. Di ka na magiging sure kung paano ka babangon, di ka sure kung paano ka na nga uli aakto. How do you usually deal with things? Kasi used ka na of having that person around eh. Used ka na on a daily basis na there are certain hours in your life na you are doing it with that someone. Pero like everything else in this life, you can adapt. Makaka-adapt ka din dun sa change na yon na wala na siya. And that empty spot will no longer be a void. Kasi may papalit dyan, my love eh. Hindi naman, not necessarily it has to be someone new. But sometimes, yung void na yon, yung emptiness na yon, napupunan lang siya ng you. Me time. Ng you doing things that you like. You doing things that can make yourself better. You doing things that can improve your life. Showing that you don't have to feel it or fill that void with another person. Sometimes, or most of the time actually, like what I've said before, being lonely doesn't have to be, being alone doesn't have to be you being lonely. You have to be okay with the feeling of you being on your own. I get it na kapag may kasama ka, you feel stronger, but you are strong as you are. As is. Malakas ka na ng ikaw lang. You just have to rediscover that strength. Kasi for quite some time, you've been dependent na yung strength mo, kinonvince mo yung sarili mo na yung strength mo ay coming from this person when all along, the strength that you've been looking for has always been within you. Na-amplify na lang siya kasi motivated ka by someone. But losing someone doesn't mean na wala sa yung strength na yun, my love. Kumbaga sa bulkan, naging dormant lang yan. It has to be activated. So my love, I know right now you are lost. Hindi mo alam kung saan mo pupulutin yung sarili mo, and that's fine. That's normal. But give yourself some time to heal. Time doesn't heal all wounds, but it makes us rediscover ourselves. At dun sa rediscovering period na yon, sa rediscovering process na yon, that's when we heal. Dun tayo nabubuo uli. Dun naghihilom yung sugat. So my love, it's okay if you feel lost. But bear in mind that that won't be forever. Claro?